Hey guys, welcome to the third thunderstorm of the year. This one's looking really bad. The storm cloud's looking bad, Brandon, but here we go. Here it is right out the bat. This is going to be a really bad storm, guys. Third thunderstorm of the year, June 22nd, 2026. Here we go, guys. This is going to be a bad one. Comment below how this looks right now at the 140 mark. Uh-oh. The rain is picking up. Hopefully that does a little bit better. Light turned on. It's going to be bad. Rain has slowed down, surprisingly, so that's good. Means the storm's out of here. Please don't let the power go out. Here we go. Well, my drone is gone, definitely. I'm gonna have to close the window maybe. Boy, it's raining hard. Can't keep that window open. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay guys, I can't do that. Oh my god. How hard is it gonna rain? I do not usually have to close my window during storms with these videos. It is raining so hard right now. Look at that. Oh my god. Where's the lightning at? Oh my god. Listen to this, guys. Oh my god. Wow, why is it raining so hard, bro? Oh my god. Yeah, my drone is done. Oh my god. I don't think I've ever seen it rain this hard for this long. Wow. Unbelievable. It's still going, bro. Oh my god. I can't even stop it right now. It's like It's crazy. Well, there was no lightning, so that's kind of a big no-no. Alexa, what's my notification?
You have one new notification from Alexa Weather. From Alexa Weather, U.S. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin Township, New Jersey. It'll be in effect until June 22nd, 7:45 p.m. EDT.
Yeah, we're cooked. So anyway, guys, please like and subscribe. This is gonna do it for this video. So yeah, this is just Rain. Like and subscribe and comment. And comment below, guys. I'll see you guys later.